TD stock tomorrow. Am I buying? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end for a surprise, and also to find out whether I'm buying or not. So, Toronto Dominion stock is sitting at $54.67, 6% down for the day, which was Friday. Last week's overall performance was like 8% down or so. I myself personally am still. I'm only really going to look for bias if the following things are to happen. But to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins. And first things first, I want to see a double break above $60. First 60, and then it really depends what the range is going to be, right? I cannot look that much into the future because chaos is going to break my plan. But I like want to see a break above 60, and then on the second break above that point, because anything else is fluff, and I'm not really interested because for the last 2 weeks we've been just consolidating in the same exact place. It's just brutally boring. So definitely going to keep you updated for a 100% free course. Check the first link in the description. It's absolutely free. Here are the reviews, so you know it's good.